Today I will be taking you on a quick introductory walkthrough of the J. Reuben Clark Law Society website. In this video, I will cover how to sign up and create your profile, how to reset your password if you have an existing profile but can't access it, how to customize and edit your profile, how to join a chapter, and how to use the JRCLS directory. First, I will show you how to sign up and create your profile. Go to jrcls.org, scroll down and click the blue Sign Up button. Fill in all the information in the sign-up sheet, and don't forget to click the Show Me in the Directory box so that your information will be accessible in the global directory. Then click Sign Up. Your account is made.
In this part of the video, I will explain how to reset your password if you have an existing profile but can't access it. First, go to jrcls.org. Click Login at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click the Reset Password button at the bottom of the form. Enter your email address and click Reset My Password. A member of the website team will send you a temporary password. Once you've received your temporary password, log in using your email and the temporary password you were sent. In this instance, I will demonstrate by using my own profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu should appear. Click on Settings and Privacy. It will bring you to this page. Click on Change Password. Input the temporary password you were given, then the new password that you would like to use. Click the blue Change Password button at the bottom to save these changes. Your password should now be updated, and you should have full access to your profile. Next, we're going to want to customize and edit your profile information. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Profile. This will take you to your profile page. Click the Edit Profile button at the top right. You'll be able to upload a photo and can include your company, job title, a short bio, bar jurisdictions, education, and more. Once you're done making your profile changes, scroll down to the bottom and click the blue Save button. The edits you've made to your profile will be visible on your account. Now that you've made edits to your profile, the next step is to join a chapter. Once you've logged in, click on Chapters and Committees in the top navigation bar. Search for your city by typing it into the search bar, or navigate to the Explore section. Here you can see all JRCLS areas and chapters around the world. To join your city's chapter, simply click on its name, then click on the blue Join button next to your chapter name. You'll now be a member of that chapter and receive email notifications about chapter events and announcements. Now that you've made your profile and joined a chapter, you're going to want to know how to access the JRCLS directory. The directory can be found at the top right of the navigation bar. Within the directory, you can search by name or law focus in the blue search bar, or you can use the filter toggles at the left. To filter by country, scroll through the drop-down menu and select which countries you want to see lawyers from. Keep in mind that filters allow you to select multiple countries. If you'd like to eliminate one of your selected countries from your search, just scroll down to that country on the drop-down list and uncheck it. These lawyers will automatically be removed from your search. This same principle applies to the state, language, law focus, and chapter filters. Once you find the lawyer you'd like to contact, click on their profile. You'll be able to see details about their professional focus, location, and education. Click on the Contact button at the bottom of their directory card. Fill out your name, email, phone number, and the message you'd like to send them. Then click Submit Inquiry at the bottom of the form. Your message has been sent. In this video, we covered how to sign up and create your profile, how to reset your password if you have an existing profile but can't access it, how to customize and edit your profile, how to join a chapter, and how to use the JRCLS directory. With these tools, you'll be able to participate more actively with your chapter and community in fulfilling the J. Reuben Clark Law Society mission. Please reach out to a member of our website team with any questions you may have. We wish you the best of luck and thank you for your service in the JRCLS.